Natural language processing, NLP, marks a pivotal stage in the evolution of artificial intelligence, enabling machines to comprehend and interact using human language. This field tackles the complexities of linguistics, including syntax, semantics, and context, to bridge the gap between human communication and machine understanding. The significance of NLP lies in its ability to enhance user experiences across various applications, from virtual assistants to customer service chatbots. Recent advancements like transformer models and deep learning have drastically improved language comprehension and generation, making interactions more fluid and intuitive. However, NLP faces substantial challenges, including ambiguity in language, cultural nuances, and ethical considerations surrounding data privacy and bias. The impact of NLP on society is profound. It reshapes how we access information, communicate, and even engage with technology. As machines become better at understanding human language, they can facilitate greater accessibility for individuals with disabilities and enhance global communication. Looking ahead, the potential of NLP raises important questions about the future of work, the nature of human-computer interaction, and the ethical frameworks needed to guide these developments responsibly.